This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over another strumming pattern that works really well for 6/8 time. With this pattern, we'll work on it a little bit together using a couple exercises, and then we'll jam. You, me, and the band using this pattern to play a couple songs. It's going to be great. This video does accompany Lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, we'll be starting on page 86. This is pattern letter F from page 86. Okay, so let's take a look at this pattern. We've got down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and a 2 and a. Now this is a movement we've actually done before to play in 3/4 time. If you were to just take one of these, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. So the strumming pattern movement is probably familiar to you. The difference though as we move into 6/8 time is we've got to play a little bit faster, and that's really the challenge for us here as we'll be playing this compared to what we've done previously, as we'll be playing it at a faster tempo. So to play at that faster tempo, you're going to want to make sure that you stay relaxed. If we start squeezing that pick or tightening up through our arm, it's really hard to play faster. The other thing is that we need to tighten up our strumming strokes. They're a little bit more just in the wrist. They don't go flinging out quite as far. So if I were to demonstrate this going a little faster, we'd have 1 and a 2 and a 1 down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and a 2 and a. So you want to be able to move it up towards that tempo. Now to get it happening there, you can start out nice and slow and then just gradually try and speed it up. Let's practice this a little bit with a chord progression together. The first song that we're going to be playing is going to be in the key of A minor. So let's go ahead and just play this with an A minor chord, and then a D minor chord, then an E7 chord, and then we'll come back to A minor. We'll start it nice and slow. 1 and a 2 and a ready and a go and a. You can practice that at that tempo as much as you want to. If that was too fast, then you could slow it down. 1 and a 2 and a ready and a go and a. Something that you might notice as you're listening to me is that each time we play this first down strum of each one of these little sets here that happen for a beat in 6/8 time, it's a little bit stronger. So we strum that one just a little bit harder than we do the others, and that helps us capture that 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2 metric feel that happens with 6/8. Okay, so if you can do it slower and then you speed it up kind of to where we were, you also want to get faster. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a ready and a go and a. Now, with that warm-up, and you can work on that little exercises as much as you want to, let's go ahead and jam together. You, me, and the band play a couple songs using this strumming pattern so we can just get it happening that way. So we're going to start off with page 94. Now on page 94, there's several chord progressions. Taking any of the strumming patterns that I toss out at you through all of those is a great thing to do to help lock in how to play those chords, which are all the first position chords that we play on the guitar. Just the basic major, minor, and dominant seventh ones. And then it also will help you get these strumming patterns happening as well. We're just going to play a song though that uses one of those progressions. So we're going to do number 19, starts with the A minor chord. We're going to play a song that's going to use that progression. So that's the first one that we'll play. Then we'll come back here to page 86 and we'll play When Johnny Goes Marching In. When Johnny Comes Marching Home, we'll play that which is number 3 there on page 86. We'll play that using this strumming pattern. So it's going to be super fun. Both of these will happen at that slower tempo and then that faster tempo. It's going to be great. Let's go ahead and play these songs together. Okay, awesome. I hope you are having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to take a look at another strumming pattern that works well for 6/8 time. It'll be strumming pattern letter G there on page 86. So it's going to be fun. Take care, have fun with this, and I will see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.